So a vinyl plank is a man-made synthetic product. It's basically rubber, vinyl and PVC. Also has fiberglass sheet in it for stability. Very durable, 100% waterproof, extremely easy to clean and maintain. Great if you've got kids, pets, etc. Very hard to damage. This is a vinyl plank. It's a glue down product. It's not a lock together type product or a floating product, so it has no locking system. These are individual boards that are glued to the subfloor. Therefore, they're not designed to expand or contract a lot. All right, so you don't need your trims and fittings around the edge. Whatever we lay to, we cut straight up to it with no scotia or trims. The vinyl plank preparation for a timber subfloor is generally masonite, which we would staple to the subfloor, heavy gauge staples every 100 mils, really secure. Then we sand it, feather the joins, sand it again, and make sure that that's all very smooth, and your glue will really bond to that very well, stopping that gapping again. Floor preparation for a vinyl plank. It's very important that this glues very well and is secure to the subfloor. So when it does expand and contract just a little bit, you don't get the gapping in between the planks. So this is a vinyl plank laid here. It's laid on a concrete subfloor. You'll see that the joins are all very tight together. So these are individual planks that aren't locked together. So if this particular plank contracts when it gets cold, if it's not laid properly and fixed very well to the subfloor, it will gap in between the joins here, and you'll get gaps in your joints. So for a concrete subfloor, we generally grind the subfloor, at least polyvac it, which is a heavy sand, to clean it, and put a coat of feather finish down, which is like a bonding agent, not a leveler, but it helps the glues to really secure and lock into the subfloor. So your plank won't gap when it gets cold and buckle up and expand when it gets hot. So vinyl planks come in a few different thicknesses, usually a 5mm plank, which is your very heavy duty, thicker plank, or a 2mm plank, which is a lighter duty plank. The main difference is a 5mm here and a 2mm there. They both look very good on the floor and are both very durable, 100% waterproof, all of that. But the 2mm plank or the thinner planks, they're going to feel a little bit harder under feet. Okay, and the print quality and the texture sometimes isn't quite as good as a 5mm. So a 5mm will feel very heavy and soft under feet, and it'll also be a little bit better quality.